Understanding, throw someone under the bus. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language: throw someone under the bus. It's a phrase you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in everyday conversations. But what does it really mean, and how can you use it correctly? Let's find out together. Throw someone under the bus is an idiomatic expression used to describe a situation where a person betrays another, usually to avoid blame or to gain an advantage. It conjures up the image of someone literally being pushed in front of a bus to suffer in place of the person doing the pushing. Metaphorically, it means sacrificing someone else to save oneself. While the exact origin of the phrase is unclear, it's believed to have come into common usage in the late 20th century. It is thought to illustrate the ultimate betrayal because throwing someone in the path of an oncoming bus would likely result in serious harm or death. Over time, the phrase has evolved to symbolize any act of betrayal or self-preservation at the expense of someone else. 1. In the workplace, John threw me under the bus during the meeting by blaming the project failure solely on me. 2. In politics, the candidate threw his colleague under the bus to gain favor with the voters. 3. In personal relationships, I can't believe you threw me under the bus by telling Mom it was my idea to break curfew. These examples illustrate how the phrase can be used in various contexts to express betrayal or shifting blame. Use it when someone sacrifices another person's reputation or well-being for personal gain. It's often used in informal settings, so be mindful of the context. Remember, it carries a negative connotation of betrayal and should be used carefully. Throwing someone under the bus is a powerful expression that vividly captures the act of betrayal. Now that you understand what it means and how to use it, you'll be better equipped to recognize it in conversation or even use it appropriately in your own discussions. Remember, language is not just about words but the stories and emotions they convey. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been enlightening.